Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In the previous video, I had shown you how to sign a document digitally in Android device. If you didn't, it is down in the description box and you can watch it. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a PPT or a PowerPoint presentation in your mobile with easy steps. If you are new to my channel, feel free to subscribe my channel and watch my previous videos. After watching, if you feel helpful, don't forget to like and comment, which helps me to make more videos. So guys, let's begin. There are many other applications for creating PPT. I personally recommend you an application called Microsoft PowerPoint because it has many features for you. Make sure that you had installed the application or else go through link in the description box where you can download it directly. Or else go with Play Store and search for the application and install it. After the installation process, open the application and here you can see some options as sign in your account. If you want your file saved in your Google Drive or in your account, you can choose an account to sign in, or else if you want to use it for just for some time, you can leave it. Now, if you want to create a new PPT, go to the plus option at top right corner. Here you can see many designs and themes. You can select whichever you want and edit later. Now I will select a blank design. This is the first slide of your PPT. You can add your own title here by just clicking on it. For example, here I will type my channel name and a subtitle also. Now it's not so attractive. To give a smart look for the slide or your text, there are many options for editing. First, let's see how we can edit our text. Down here, you can see an options for making your text bold. And you can change your font color also. Not only your main title, you can also change your subtitle. Let's make our subtitle as an italic. If you want to make your slide look different, you can add animations also. Go to transitions and select the effect you want to add. And if you want to add themes to your slide, in same way select design option and select the theme you likely to be added. For professional slides, it's better to add some light design, and it's of your choice. Here I have chosen my theme. After that, if you want to add another slide, here you can see a plus option. Go to that and you can see second slide as created. And you can also create many more slides by clicking that. You can type whatever you want. Now let's see how we can add a table. Down here you can see a grid symbol. Go to that and your simple table has created. Now you can type whatever you needed to add. You can change the layout of this slide. Also, if you need comparison, down in layout you can see the option and add your text. So in this way you can add comparison for the slide. You can see here my second slide is blank, but I needed my third slide as my second slide. For that, drag that slide where you need it to be added. Or if you want to delete an extra slide, you can just touch on it and select the option delete. If you want to add an image to your slide, go to the icon and select the image you want to add and crop it. After that, adjust on the slide with your comfort, and you can add a title here. Not only images, we can also add videos. Now let's see how we can add videos. For that, go to here, the option insert, and then video, and select the file you needed to add. You can also add shapes for it. For example, I will add a arrow mark there. If you feel this as uncomfortable, you can delete or undo this option. After that, you can see this icon. It is like an assistant. For example, if you want to insert a picture, you can directly go through it. Like that, there are many options for that. Or if you want to insert picture or shape or layout, you can directly go through this rather than going other steps. There is an options for delete the slide. You can delete the slide or start from this slide also. Now let's see how our slides look like. So in this way we had created our PPT. Now if you want to edit that again, you can just click on it and you can see an icon to edit. So in this way you can create your own PPT. Now let's see how we can save the file. For that, go to the three dots option there and select save as. After that, select the file where you would want to add. And give a name for your file and save it. If you want to save this in PDF form, you can go to the print option there and save it as PDF. Save the file. So guys, now in this video, you have learned how to create a simple PowerPoint presentation in your Android device. If you feel my video was helpful, don't forget to like and comment. You can share this video with your friend or college mates where they can create a simple PPT with these steps. To see more videos of these types, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.